Life has been great in terms of, for the first time, we have 2 months off work where we are able to do things which we've not had the time to do in the past. So it's been a great time to learn new things and discover oneself and find out other things other than work that we've carried on doing for the last so many years. Right now, work has been shut completely. So work is not happening as of now. Like the fact that like design work can keep on happening in the background, but unless production happens, unless the sites start working, it's pointless wasting your time on such things. So we decided basically it's okay. We can get back to design once this thing ends. Yeah, that we did manage to do that quite a lot. So this would depend on what market segment you're talking about. As in, each segment would have a different answer. So if you're looking at apartments, I think apartments will get probably more practical. Like people will start using things which are easier to maintain. Like that's the realization that all of us have had in this time, right? So things like that will happen in that segment. In an exclusive niche segment, I don't think there'll be major changes. That will still carry on the way it has been carrying on. In premium and luxury, I don't think it will make a difference. People have the money. It's for people who don't have the money. That's when budget restrictions happen. When you're looking at a premium segment, so I don't think it will make too much of a difference. People were already doing online shopping, as in pre-corona also. I think a lot of people were purchasing things online, and that is going to remain. That's not going to change. People that happened with a lack of time, where people don't have the time to go to a store. People have parking problems, so they don't want to park somewhere, and that's why they started buying online. So that will carry on. So as a trend, that's not going to change. I might redo my. I have a patio at the back, so I might design that because it's a nice area to sit around. People might start using materials which are basically hygienic, as you mentioned. So hygienic materials would probably right now become very important. So things that are either easily cleanable in terms of disinfectant and cleaning also. So those type of materials will come into vogue right now. Sustainability wise also, sustainability has been a thing since the last many years, at least the last 5-10 years. And definitely now people are understanding, like the next thing that might happen is a lack of water. So people are going to obviously try and build using these things and keeping these things in mind. And definitely the architectural fraternity or the interior fraternity will look into these things. I think that's probably the next thing that would happen. So sustainability was one thing that, so usually you have this thing called contemporary design. Every year has their contemporary design. So that was what was a thing that was happening. Now, a lot of people might have watched this movie called Minimalism. It was a documentary. And a lot of people around the world are probably might be influenced by such a thing of going on a minimal way of life. You don't need so many things in life. And since you don't need so many things in life, you might have less things. You might have amazing things. As in, if you have a lamp, you might have the best lamp possible. But you just have less in quantity. So I just seen the documentary and I was quite impressed. by the entire notion of living with just what you require, and you should love something for you to keep it. So that was quite an interesting. I think we might go on that way. Minimalism as a design style was already prevalent probably 20 years back, and it might come back again right now.